Welcome to GreenPan Tri-Ply. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises to revolutionize your kitchen experience. We're talking about the GreenPan Hybrid 13-piece non-stick stainless steel cookware set, specifically the APEX model in that gorgeous gold finish. If you're tired of sticky pans and pans that scratch easily, stick around, because this set might just be the game changer you've been looking for. Let's start by unpacking what makes this GreenPan set so special. At the heart of it is their Hybrid Thermobond Technology. This isn't your average non-stick. GreenPan has fused a diamond-infused, PFAS-free ceramic non-stick with an etched stainless steel pattern. The idea here is to give you the best of both worlds, the effortless release of non-stick with the incredible searing power and durability of stainless steel. They claim this hybrid design is 10 times more metal utensil safe than previous GreenPan coatings, which is a bold statement and something we'll definitely be putting to the test. The APEX pattern itself is quite unique. It's a raised, etched stainless steel texture that's designed to direct heat for superior searing and more efficient cooking. This is a departure from the completely smooth non-stick surfaces we're used to, and it's intriguing to see how this translates in real-world cooking. Underneath that etched pattern is their Infinite 8 ceramic non-stick, which GreenPan emphasizes is PFAS-free and designed for longevity and better performance, making your meals healthier. Durability is a major focus here. Beyond being 10 times more metal utensil safe, the cookware features wrapped edges that are designed to be chip-free. This also contributes to perfect pours and long-lasting strength, and they're even dishwasher safe, which is a huge convenience for busy cooks. The construction of these pots and pans is a tri-ply stainless steel. This means 2 layers of stainless steel sandwiching a core of aluminum. This construction is a classic for a reason, offering excellent heat transfer, allowing for easy searing, and achieving perfect browning. It's designed to distribute heat evenly, eliminating hot spots that can lead to uneven cooking. Now, let's talk about what you actually get in this 13-piece set. It's a comprehensive collection that should cover most of your everyday cooking needs. You'll find an 8-inch frying pan, a larger 9.5-inch frying pan, a 1-quart saucepan with its lid, a 2-quart saucepan with a lid, a 3-quart sauté pan with a lid, and a generous 5-quart stockpot, also with a lid. On top of all that, they've included 3 essential silicone utensils, a solid spoon, a slotted spoon, and a spatula. This is a great starter set, or an excellent upgrade for someone looking to equip their kitchen with high-quality pieces. Versatility is another strong suit. These pans are oven and broiler safe up to a scorching 850 degrees Fahrenheit, though the lids are good up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. This opens up a lot of possibilities for finishing dishes in the oven or for recipes that require high heat. They are also optimized for all stovetops, including induction, gas, electric, and ceramic. So, no matter what kind of cooktop you have, these should work beautifully. Cleaning is always a concern, and GreenPan addresses this head-on. They claim these are easy to clean, and of course, they are dishwasher safe for that ultimate convenience. The description mentions that you can just wipe them clean when you're through, or pop them in the dishwasher. They've also paid attention to the little details that make cooking easier. The ergonomically designed stainless steel handles are built for comfort and stability. The tempered glass lids have a nice, easy-view design, allowing you to monitor your food without lifting the lid and losing precious heat, moisture, or flavor. So, let's break down the pros and cons. Pros. The Hybrid Thermobond technology with diamond infusion and etched stainless steel is a truly innovative approach, offering both non-stick convenience and robust searing capabilities. The claim of being 10x more metal utensil safe is very appealing for long-term durability. The tri-ply construction is excellent for heat distribution and control. The 13-piece set is comprehensive and includes useful utensils. The high oven-safe temperature is fantastic for versatility. They are compatible with all cooktops, including induction. And, of course, being dishwasher safe is a major win for ease of use. Cons. The etched stainless steel pattern, while innovative, might be a learning curve for some users accustomed to perfectly smooth non-stick. While they are marketed as metal utensil safe, many people are still hesitant to use metal utensils on any non-stick surface, so habits may be hard to break. The lids are oven safe to a lower temperature than the pans themselves, which could be a minor limitation for certain high-heat oven recipes that require lids. Overall, the GreenPan APEX Hybrid Cookware set looks incredibly promising. It's designed to tackle common cookware frustrations head-on with its blend of advanced technology and thoughtful design. The combination of searing power, non-stick performance, and impressive durability makes this a strong contender for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen arsenal. Link in the description.